Buy a sheep farm. Buying a sheep farm is a good idea when you love agricultural farming, farm animals, and would want to take care of these gentle creatures. Though it may take a lot of your time, effort, and money, it will be something worth getting into, as sheep is prized for their wool and are easier to tend to than any other livestock. Sheep do not succumb easily to disease and viruses. Come shearing time, you will see how much wool you can get out of your herd of sheep, and it won't even hurt them in the process. In fact, wool shearing helps their skin breathe and encourages their glands to grow healthier wool. You can produce dairy from sheep, too. That's more value for the buck. Just don't be like other sheep owners who treat them badly. When it comes to buying a sheep farm, here are some tips and suggestions to help you out. 1. Make a list of questions and fill this out as your personal guide. Why do you want to buy a sheep farm? How much will it take to start a sheep farm? How many heads of sheep would you like to start with? How much money would you be willing to invest? Some answers to help you out. Going into sheep farming is actually an ideal investment. According to statistics from sheep101.info, sheep comprises only 1% of the total livestock receipts in the United States. Your financial investment will depend on land, housing, machinery, and labor. However, you don't necessarily have to own these to start your own sheep farm. Think of leasing or renting at the beginning of your business venture. Depending on your budget, you can begin with 22 heads of sheep, including the ewes or females for breeding. 2. You can start building your sheep farm from Oxfam America. Oxfam America has an ongoing gift-giving charity project where you can purchase a sheep farm for your friends or for your farm. For a mere $50, you can buy a sheep that will help you generate income from the wool that's supplied to the textile industry. For more information, visit OxfamAmericaUnwrapped.com. 3. Scout for ideal locations in your area. As of 2009, there were more than 5 million heads of sheep scattered in farms in Iowa, Texas, California, Montana, Oregon, Wyoming, Dakota, Colorado, and Utah. This will give you an idea about where you can start looking into sheep farms. Internationally, sheep farms are thriving in New Zealand and the UK. 4. Lastly, contact your local agriculture and farming office, 4-H, and sell your idea of buying a sheep farm. They are sure to get the word out and connect you with sheep farm owners or community in your locality. Sheep farming is not a get-rich scheme. It will allow you to earn money from it, sure, but farmers go into sheep farming because they love it. If you feel you need to become more educated about sheep farming, do not hesitate to take a course about agriculture and animal husbandry.